I wake up early in the morning. She goes to school every day. They are playing cricket in the park. He is watching TV right now. We are learning English together. My father reads the newspaper daily. This phone is very expensive. I drink water when I feel thirsty. He likes to play football. She sings beautifully. He is not at home right now. We are going to the market. The sun rises in the east. I brush my teeth every morning. She doesn't like tea. Do you know him? I can speak a little English. He cannot drive a car. They are my best friends. Please open the door. Don't touch my bag. Can you help me? She is cooking food in the kitchen. The train is very late today. I always respect my parents. Where are you going? He is a good student. I need some water. We don't have enough time. She is wearing a red dress. I am feeling sleepy. They are waiting for the bus. The teacher is explaining the lesson. Please write your name here. I am happy today. He looks very tired. Let's go for a walk. It is raining outside. She always helps poor people. I want to buy a new laptop. They are celebrating her birthday. Don't be late for school. We should drink clean water. He is playing with his dog. She speaks English fluently. I am waiting for my friend. They are sitting under the tree. This book is very interesting.